Donald Trump recently addressed business leaders in Detroit, boldly declaring, "Inflation is defeated." However, new data indicates that consumer prices rose by 2.7% from last year, exceeding the Federal Reserve's 2% target. This creates a stark contrast between Trump's claim and the reality that many Americans are still facing rising costs, particularly for food and essentials. During his speech, Trump criticized international trade deals, stating he prefers American-made cars over those produced in Canada. He also pointed out a criminal investigation of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, claiming it resulted from Powell's decisions regarding interest rates, upsetting Trump. In his remarks, Trump focused on affordability issues, highlighting a forthcoming healthcare affordability framework intended to reduce insurance costs. He claimed the current healthcare system harms Americans, using the Affordable Care Act as an example of inefficiency. Addressing energy, Trump affirmed support for the U.S. oil and gas industry, opposing an electric-only vehicle future while emphasizing a diverse range of vehicle options. His administration's actions, like directing major mortgage bond purchases by housing finance entities, have already lowered mortgage rates. Furthermore, Trump took a victory lap on tariffs, boasting about the revenue generated for the U.S. while facing potential legal challenges. He expressed concern about dissent within the Republican Party, emphasizing party unity in achieving successes. In the end, Trump asserted that the U.S. economy is thriving under his leadership. He promised continued growth and lower inflation rates while dismissing concerns about affordability as a political hoax. With his history of dramatic speeches, this latest address marks a pivotal moment as he positions himself for impending electoral challenges. Following his visit to the Ford plant, Trump's actions and claims demand scrutiny as economic realities unfold.